if n is odd, then what is the transfer function? H of s equals to omega c to power n divided by multiple of k 1 to n by 2 s square plus pk omega cs plus omega c square. Okay, where bk equals to 2 sine 2k minus 1 pi by 2n. Oh, sorry, this is n is even, not odd. When n is even. Okay, and when n is odd, then transfer function h of s equals to say omega c to power n divided by s plus omega c multiple of k1 to n minus 1 by 2 s square plus bk omega cs plus omega c square. Same bk, where bk is 2 sine 2k minus 1 pi by 2n. Okay, so this is your transfer function of a Butterworth filter. Okay, transfer function of a Butterworth filter. Okay, here, and what is n? N is order of the filter. And what is omega c? It is a 3 dB frequency of the Butterworth filter. So yesterday we did the complete derivation of this transfer function of a Butterworth filter. Okay, now what is the task for us? Now we have to find the order of the filter. It is important. We have to find the order of the filter, and we have to find the derivation for order of the filter. How to do? Okay, now today it's how to find the order of the filter. Order of Butterworth low pass filter. Now we have to derive the order for Butterworth low pass filter. Now say if omega c is given, then how will find the order of the filter? Then if omega c is not given, how to find the order of the Butterworth filter? We will see. Now let the first case that omega c is given. Okay, this let case one. Okay, then this is your case one. Omega c is given. Now see, this is the low pass filter. And this omega c is given. Okay, and this is your 1 by root 2 0. This is omega s stop band frequency. This is your del s, and this is your h of j omega. Sorry, h of j omega magnitude. Okay, now what is our transfer function? Or we can say that what is the magnitude of transfer function of Butterworth filter? You all people know that h of a j omega magnitude square equals to 1 by 1 plus omega by omega c to power 2n. Okay. Now, if you see this figure, at this is your omega, at omega equals to omega s, and what is h a j omega magnitude? This is equals to del of s. When it is omega equals to omega s, then h of j omega is del of s. Okay. Now let this is your equation A. Put this condition in equation A, then what will get? Del s square equals to 1 divided by 1 plus omega is omega s by omega c to power 2n, or we can write omega s by omega c power 2n equals to del s to power minus 2 minus 1. Okay, just take this left hand side and bring this del s square to denominator. Okay, then next is take log both sides. If you take log both sides, then what will get? 2n log of omega s by omega c equals to log 10 del s minus 2 minus 1. Then we can write simple this n equals to 1 by 2 log 10 del s minus 2 minus 1 divided by log 10 omega s by omega c. Now you all people know that you want the order of the filter must be highest and not. When the order of the filter is high, then this practical low pass filter will approach to ideal low pass filter. That is stop band frequency is shift to left hand side. So instead of equals to, because see if you find this value, you cannot get an integer value. You must will get a decimal value. Okay, so we always take n as a round value, means integer value. So I will take the condition like this. Instead of exactly equals to, I will write n greater than equals to, it is 1 by 2 log 10 del s minus 2 minus 1 divided by log 10 omega s by omega c. So this is formula to find order of the filter if omega c is given. If omega c is given, means for example, if you get n equals to, by using this formula, n equals to 3.01245, then your order is 4. Always take the next integer value. This is very, very important. Always take the next integer value, because always you want higher filter integer value. Okay, anything if n equals to 3 point okay 00123 also, so n equals to 4 like this. Okay, or if you take let n equals to 1.296, so n equals to 4 means something decimal value will come, means always take the next integer value. Okay, so this is a formula for order of the filter, means Butterworth low pass filter. If omega c is given, okay, if omega c is given, clear? So you have to remember this formula. In the exam, they will give the specification like omega c, omega s, del s. Then we have to use this formula to find the order of the filter. Okay, clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, last class you said that if we increase the order of the filter, the cost will be increased, no, sir?
Obviously, if you increase
So
the, if you
why we
increase
should
the,
go?
see, if you increase the order of the filter at the time of manufacturing, the cost will increase. But say, what is the preferable? The preferable is always highest order, yes or not? The preferable is always a highest order. That's why for calculation point, instead of taking the smaller value, because already we are getting some decimal value, instead of taking the smaller value, I am taking the next integer value. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Because the higher order is preferable, and that is manufacturing is a different case. That is true. Okay, that's true. But here, what is the requirement to design the low pass filter? I'm not saying that n equals to 4 means you have to design a fourth order filter. You may design a second order 2 filter and you will do manufacturing. That is the secondary. But what is the minimum requirement? This is the formula gives the minimum requirement of a order of a Butterworth low pass filter. Get it? Don't be
Yes, sir.
confused. Okay,
Got it.
that's clear. Okay, now see. Now what you did, if you see here, here I taken this Dallas as a linear value, yes or not in dB, but sometimes in exam you will get question in dB. Okay, so what you got, if omega c is given, then order n is greater than equals to 1 by 2 log 10 del s minus 2 minus 1 divided by log 10. Okay, what? Omega s by omega c. Omega s by omega c. Now, if del s dB value given equals to minus alpha s. Why I taken minus? Because if you see this filter, what is the maximum magnitude? It is 1. Then log of 1 is 0. So whatever the value lies below 0, it is negative. Yes or not? That is the reason instead of plus I am taking minus alpha s. It is a dB. Then you can write 20 log 10 delta s equals to minus alpha s. Okay, or what is delta s? It is 10 to power minus alpha s by 20. Now you put this in this order equation. Then what will you get? N greater than equals to 1 by 2 log 10. Then what is del s to power minus 2? It is 10 to power minus alpha s by 20 multiply minus 2. That is 10 to power alpha s by 10. That is 10 to power 0.1 alpha s. It is 10 to power 0.1 alpha s minus 1 divided by log 10 omega s by omega c. Okay, if in exam alpha, if this delta is given directly, you use this formula, that this formula A, or if delta is given in dB, this is in dB, then use equation B. Both are same. Okay, first one is a simple linear, its value, and second one is in dB value. Okay, now these two formulas are very important. If omega c is given, so what is the next case? Next case is if omega c is not given, then how to find the order of the filter? Now same way, if you proceed, now if you take the second case, if omega c not given, then how to find the order of the filter? Now if you see here, now do the same diagram I'm doing here. This omega p, omega s, or you can say omega c, but this omega c is not given. And 1, and this is your del p. because omega c not given. If omega c given, then it is 1 by root 2. This is your del S. Magnitude. This is your omega. Now, what is our equation? Equation is h of j omega magnitude square equals to 1 by 1 plus omega by omega c to power 2n. This is the main equation. Okay, equation 1. Now, at omega equals to omega p, then what is h j omega? Means what is the magnitude of the filter? Anyone? At omega equals to omega p, what is the magnitude? It is a del p. Similarly, at omega equals to omega s, what is the magnitude? Just see the figure. Let's see the figure. At omega equals to omega p, see the magnitude is a del p. Similarly, at omega equals to omega s, now see the magnitude. Magnitude is a del s. Okay, so the magnitude is a del s. Now put this condition in equation 1. Then what will get? You will get here del p square equals to 1 by 1 plus omega p by omega c to power 2n or omega p by omega c to power 2n equals to del p minus 2 minus 1. This is equation 2. Similarly, del s square equals to 1 by 1 plus omega s by omega c to power 2n, that is omega s by omega c to power 2n equals to del s minus 2 minus 1. This is equation 3. Then divide 2 by 3 or 3 by 2, your wish. If you divide, simple, divide 2 by 3 or 3 by 2, then what will you get here? Omega p by omega s to power 2n equals to del p minus 2 minus 1 divided by del s minus 2 minus 1. Then take log both sides. If you take log both sides, what will you get? 2n log of omega p by omega s equals to log of del p minus 2 minus 1 divided by del s minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so what is the formula? Same way I can write and instead of equal I am writing greater than equals to 1 by 2 log 10 del p minus 2 minus 1 divided by del s minus 2 minus 1 all divided by log 10 omega p by omega c. Okay, so this is your order of the filter if omega c not given. If omega c not given, or also you can write like this also. If you divide 3 by 2, then what will you get? If you divide 3 by 2, then we'll get n is greater than equals to 1 by 2 log 10 del s power minus 2 minus 1 del p power minus 2 minus 1 divided by log 10 omega s by omega p. Both are correct. You can use this formula or this formula. Both are correct. You will get the correct answer. Okay, so let this is equation 4 or equation 5. Okay, so if omega c not given, then use equation 4 and equation 5. Okay, clear? Now, first task is over. What is the necessity? First, you have to find the order of the filter. Then you have to find the omega c of the filter. If omega c not given. Okay, if omega c given, not required, only find the order of the filter. Because why is required? Because see our transfer function required order of the filter and omega c. Rest everything is known. Okay, these two things are required. Now, order of the filter we know how to find. Okay, if omega c is given, and also we discuss the second case if omega c not given. Then how to find the value of omega c if omega c not given? What to do? Oh, before that, say I want to write in dB form. Okay, what is the equation? Equation is n greater than equals to 1 by 2 log 10 del p minus 2 minus 1 del s minus 2 minus 1 divided by log 10 omega p by omega s. Here del p means here omega p. Okay. Now, if it is a linear value del p and del s, let if it is given in dB, that is if del p in dB is minus alpha p and del s in dB is minus alpha s. Okay, then what is the meaning? Meaning is that is I can write del p equals to 10 to power minus alpha p by 20, and this is also del s equals to 10 to power minus alpha s by 20. Now use in this equation, order equation, what will get? Then we'll get n greater than equals to 1 by 2 log 10. This is 10 to power 0.1 alpha p minus 1 divided by 10 to power 0.1 alpha s minus 1 whole division by log 10 omega p by omega s, or also we can write like this also, and greater than equals to what? 1 by 2 log 10 10 to power 0.1, reverse also we can write 0.1 alpha s minus 1 by 10 to power 0.1 alpha p minus 1 divided by log 10, and it is omega s by omega p. Okay, this is in dB form. If del p and del s given in the dB, then these are the equations to find the order of the filter. Okay, means same equation. I'm using same equation only. Just I'm using this dB formula, and I'm putting in the main order equation. We are getting these equations. Clear, all of you? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very simple.
Yes.
See, it's a very simple mathematics. It's not difficult. Now, how to find omega c? Now, to find omega c, what I will do? Can someone suggest? Simple. You use either equation 2 or use equation 3. Yes or not? If you use equation 2 or equation 3, you will get the value of omega c. Okay. So what is equation 2? You use anyone to get the omega c value. Okay. See, if you use any one equation, means what? Omega p by omega c to power 2n equals to del p to power minus 2 minus 1. Okay, clear? Then from here you can find the value of omega c. Yes or not? How to find? Simple. Omega p by omega c equals to del p minus 2 minus 1 whole power 1 by 2n. This 2n will go that side. Yes or not? Then what is omega c? omega c equals to, it is omega p divided by del p minus 2 minus 1 whole power 1 by 2n. Or if you use equation 3, I use equation 2, okay. I use equation 2. If you use equation 3, then what you will get? If you use equation 3, you will get it is equals to omega s divided by del s minus 2 minus 1 whole power 2n. Okay, same. If you use this is a equation 3, you will get this. This is I use equation 2. Okay, so this is the formula to find omega c. Or if you want to write in dB form, how you can write it? This is the linear form. If you want to write dB form, same. Omega c equals to omega p divided by 10 to power 0.1 alpha p minus 1 whole power 1 by 2n. This is equals to same omega s 10 to power 0.1 alpha s minus 1 whole power 1 by 2n. Okay, this is if alpha p and alpha is given in dB. That is I'm writing here. That is a del p dB equals to minus alpha p and del s dB equals to minus alpha s. Okay, now our requirement is over. Now we know we have the formula to find omega c, and also we have the formula to find the order of the filter. Yes or not? This is the formula to find order of the filter I given. Okay, it's given. And also I given the formula to find, it's very simple. If you remember this diagram, low pass filter diagram, and if you remember this simple equation, then you can derive by yourself. It's not difficult. It's very, very easy. Okay, now omega c value is known to us, n value is known to us, and we have the transfer function formula. Yes or not? Now use this transfer function formula to get the transfer function of an Butterworth filter. Clear? Yes or not? Yes, all of
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now see everything I derived. So first what to do, you have to remember this transfer function formula like this. Okay. After that, you have to remember this formula's order of the filter. Not required to remember. If you remember this simple diagram, we can do. Then how to find this omega c formula you have to remember. Okay. Omega c formula you have to remember. After that, put all this in the given equation, means derived equation, will get the Butterworth filter. Okay. I hope you all people understand. Clear? Now I will do one problem so that the people will get more clarity. Okay. The problem I taken from Ramesh Babu. It's a very simple problem so that the people will practice. Okay. Now the problem is given specification. Given specification, alpha p equals to 1 dB, alpha s equals to 30 dB, omega p equals to 200 radian per second, and omega s equals to 600 radian per second. Question is determine the order of the filter. Determine the order of the filter. See, everything is given. Yes or not? Everything is given. What is the formula? Formula is n must be greater than equals to 1 by 2 log 10. It is given in dB. So I will write dB formula. 10 to the power 0.1 alpha p minus 1, 10 to the power 0.1 alpha s minus 1 divided by log 10 omega p by omega s. Use this formula or reverse also use. If you use this formula, you will get n equals to, you have calculated between, can you find this value? Let's do first. Okay, those people having calculator, use your calculator and tell me the value of n. It's very easy. Do it fast. Yes, for the value of n. Anyone?
Four, sir.
Yes, sir.
4.
4. Exact value, what is the exact value?
3.77.
Okay, good. 3.77 the value. Okay, no problem. Here it's showing 3.758, no problem. But it's coming 3.77. Oh, okay. Or if you get 3.758 also correct. Okay, like this. So it is 3 point. So always the next integer value n equals to 4. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, clear? Now, same way you do another problem. Now you can find the transfer function, yes or not? By using all these things, you can find omega c. Everything you can do. Okay, no problem. I will give another problem. Okay. Another problem is same thing. Design an analog Butterworth low pass filter. Butterworth low pass filter that has a minus 2 dB passband attenuation at a frequency of 20 radian per second and at least minus 10 dB stop band attenuation. Minus 10 dB stop band attenuation at 30 radian per second. Okay, this is your question. Clear? Now, what are the specifications given? What is the value of alpha p given? Yes.
Minus 2 dB. sir.
Very good. It's minus of 2 dB. But when you will use the formula, just you take 2 dB. Okay. Because while deriving the formula, already by taking minus, I derive the formula. Yes or not? See. while deriving the formula, already taking minus. Huh? That's why better you take a, not better, always take a positive value because minus already taken. Okay. Alpha p is minus 2 dB. Then what is omega p?
20 radian per second.
20 radian per second. What is alpha is?
10 dB.
10 dB. Okay. And what is omega is?
30 radian per second.
30 radian per second. Okay, use the same formula. Huh? Use the same order formula and find the order. Because we want two things, yes or not? We want n, we want omega c over. Okay. First order n, formula is 1 by 2 log 10, 10 to the power 0.1, alpha is minus 1 divided by 10 to the power 0.1 alpha p minus 1 divided by log 10 omega is by omega p. What the order of n? Do it first. Yes, sir.
అక్కడ ఉండవు
4, sir.
4. Okay. The value is 3.37. Yes or not? And equals to 3.37. So we can say simple
ఇంకేమేం చేస్తున్నారు
n equals to 4. N equals to 4. Okay, then what more required? We require omega c. Yes or not? Find the value of omega c. Omega c equals to use anything. Omega p divided by 10 to the power 0.1 alpha p minus 1 to the power 1 by 2n, or use this formula also, both are correct. 10 to the power 0.1 alpha is minus 1 whole power 1 by 2n. Find it. What is the value of omega c?
అంతే
Call from this way free. Call from this way free.
What is the value of omega c? Yes.
Sir, 22.87.
22 point. Actually, it is coming 21.3868. Huh? Just verify once. Okay. So omega c we are getting 21.3868 and n we are getting 4. Okay. Clear? Now we will write our transfer function. Now n equals to 4 means even. And what is our transfer function? H of s. It is a omega c to the power n divided by table of k1 to n by 2 s square is bk omega cs plus omega c square. Now n equals to 4. Then what is the transfer function? H of s equals to omega c to power 4 divided by multiple of k 1 to n by 2 means 2 s square plus bk omega cs plus omega c square. What is bk? Now, okay, first we'll write the transfer function. H of s equals to omega c to power 4 divided by k equals to 1 s square plus b1 omega cs plus omega c square multiple of s square plus b2 omega cs plus omega c squared. Okay, then what is bk? Bk is 2 sine of 2k minus 1 pi by 2n. Okay, here n is 4. So 2 sine of 2k minus 1, it is pi by 8. And what is b1? Simple put k equals to 1. 2 sine pi by 8. The value of 2 sine pi by 8 is 0.76537. Okay, so now what is b2? Now put k equals to 2 here. You get 2 sine, simple it is 3 pi by 8. Okay, already I said the trick, pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, like this. Okay, so and this value equals to 1.8477. See, always when you will do this calculation, put the calculator in radian mode. Complete DSP, you have to put the calculator in radian mode. Okay, it's in radian mode. Now everything is known to you now. Yes or not? Omega c is known to you. See, now omega c is known to you, n is known to you, and what required? B1 and B2. B1 and B2 is known to you. Okay, now this is your main equation. Put all the value of in equation A, you will get the transfer function of a Butterworth filter. Okay, clear all of you? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very simple. Now see, everything is known. Everything is known. Just put all the value in the equation A, you will get the required transfer function. Okay. So it's very simple. If you have to remember the order of the filter and omega c formula and this transfer function. Okay, that's all. Nothing else. Everything rest. Everything is directed. Okay. Now same way we can do another problem. Okay. Now I will give some problem as homework so that you will write and you same like yesterday you have to upload. Already I created one assignment folder. You have to upload, but deadline is not today. I given tomorrow so that you will finish the assignment. And see one more thing. You all people rename your file. Means when you are uploading the PDF, just give the name of the PDF last 2 digits of your roll number, not your name or not full roll number. Simple last 2 digits of your roll number. For example, if your roll number is 2, then last 2 digits 02. If roll number is 11, then 11. So you just name that fold means PDF your last 2 digits of roll number, not name or not anything else. Okay, if any other name I will find that I will consider as a 0 mark. Okay, it's very clear. So you all of you just give the name of your assignment last 2 digits of your roll number, nothing else, no name, no other name. Okay, already the assignment folder I created, you have to submit. Tomorrow is the last date. Tomorrow up to night 12 o'clock.
Sir, what about the people who already submitted, sir?
No, this is new assignment. No, today's assignment. First assignment, if people did the name in different way. That's why I'm saying this today onward, you have to upload the assignment in the last 2 digits of your roll number. Okay. Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now see. Next question is same. Design an analog Butterworth filter These all are homework question you have to do. Okay, by yourself. Design an analog Butterworth low pass filter. Okay, see one more point. What you will do, you just name your PDF as your last 2 digits of your roll number, and inside the assignment, each page you write your roll number. Okay, so that it will distinguish from other. Simple, write your roll number either up or down, no problem. But each page you write. Okay, just make it clear. Clear, both here and all people. Two things is very, very important. First is you name your PDF as your last 2 digits of your roll number. And second is when you will take, because this time I decided I will not ask at the end to upload everything. Every day I will consider after a class. So every day, simple, in the each page you have to write your roll number, and your complete PDF name is the last 2 digits of roll number. This is a simple format. Okay. Okay, clear. Now design an analog Butterworth low pass filter and specification given like this. Specifications is 0.9 less than equals to h of j omega magnitude less than equals to 1 for 0 less than omega less than equals to 0.2 pi. Okay, and h of j omega magnitude is less than equals to 0.2 for 0.45 less than equals to omega less than equals to pi. Okay, now see, sometimes if you give like this, it's very easy. What is the value of your del P? Anyone? What is the value of del P?
0.2 pi.
0.9.
0.9.
Okay, see, it's like this. It's very simple. If you do the plot, then you can understand. See, say here 0. This is 0.2 pi, 0.4 pi. This is maximum value C1 given. This is a 0.9. Okay, and this is a 0.4. Or this range 0.4 pi to this is a pi. Okay, now it is clear. Yes or not? So del P is 0.9. What is del S?
0.2.
Very good. Del S is 0.2. Now, what is omega P?
0.2 pi.
0.2 pi. And what is the omega S?
0.4 pi.
Very good. 0.4 pi. Now again everything is given. Yes or not? Let's see. Now all the specifications given. Now it is easy for you to design a Butterworth filter. Okay. Huh? I will give the values also. You will get answer so that if people will verify, you get n greater than equals to 3.34. That is n equals to 4 you will get. Okay. And omega c will get 0.24 pi. Okay. That's all. Yes or not? Okay. That's all. Then you have to, n is given, omega c is given. Use this to design the Butterworth filter. So this is your homework. You have to write before submitting the, means you have to include this in assignment. Okay. Then one more question. These are the assignment question. Another question. for the given specification, find the order of Butterworth filter. Find the order of the, not order, simple, your design, okay? Design, that is more good. For the given specifications, design an analog Butterworth low pass filter, and also find the poles. Okay, also find the poles. And what is the specification given? Alpha p equals to 3 dB, alpha is equals to 18 dB, FP equals to 1 kilohertz, and Fs equals to 2 kilohertz. Okay, now simple, you do it by yourself.